So I think this is one of my best prints. There's almost no threads inside, and the support structures are not very sticky, so that's okay. And the ridges are very small. You almost don't hear nothing when I go over it with my nails. I think you can use it like this. You don't have to paint it if you don't want. I asked my daughter if she wants to leave it in white, but she wants to have the original color, so I gonna paint it. But I think you only have to sandpaper it very smoothly and then it's finished. I make those two armors from the Mandalorian with new PLA and I'm very happy. It's getting loose very easy. This is the support structures I made. It's not sticky at all. Yeah, those two, but I can remove them easy. And all the edges are very nice. I'm very, very happy with this print. I also printed the other part of the armor and they are both very good. So I think maybe this is the best print I made till now. I'm just starting with printing, so I have not a lot of experience, but until now the best print. There's here a little bit threads inside, but that's the inside and it's easy to remove. So yeah, here it's not perfect, but that's on the other side, on the underside or the top side of the print, so I don't care. But the surface is very, very smooth. I'm very happy with those two prints of the armor. Hi everybody and welcome back on a new episode of Mad Builds. Today I'm printing the shoulder parts of the armor of the Mandalorian, and I started out, I thought it was a good position of the armor. Everything looked fine in Kura. I had enough support structures. I thought in the end I was wrong, so I had to stop this print. It's going wrong after a few minutes. You see already the armor wibbling, so I had to stop this print because it was not going very well. So I went back to Kura, positioned the armor in a different way. I made the supports a little bit thicker so they touch better on the surface and they touch better to the armor. So what I did in Kura, when I positioned the armor, I looked at the supports and I went with the side slider down and up, and that's where I positioned the support studs. When you go down and up with the slider, you can simulate the print, how it's printing, so you see when which layer is printed. And that of course is very useful when you want to decide where you're gonna put your supports. The only thing with this PLA is what you see here, it breaks in little pieces, or there are coming little pieces of there. It's no big issue. I never saw it with my black PLA. This is the first time I print with white PLA, so I don't know. And this side of the shoulder armor is even better printed than the one you saw on the intro. This is really magnificent. This is so cool printed. Only the small parts here, but you can cut them away and you don't see it. You see the print is sticking very good to the bed. So it's even better than the first print of the shoulder armor of the Mandalorian. So I don't know if the prints are so good that it's because I use another brand PLA and the white PLA. I don't know if there is any difference between the colors of PLA. Of course, between the brands there's a big difference, I think, also price-wise. But I'm very happy with this PLA. It didn't break till now, so let's hope it doesn't break in the future. Then I certainly stick for now with this PLA. If you have any questions about my printing or what I do or how I do it, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next build.